Welcome back to My Wife the Highway. When we tour Australia, we're usually moving location each day. That means that we're continuously setting up and packing up camp. When you're on the road for a long period of time, you want this to be as quick and easy as possible. So, here's a quick tip to make your camp setup quick. Tip number 1 is awning lighting.
I've hardwired lighting into my awning so that I'm not unrolling a LED lighting strip each time I set up camp. So if I don't need the lighting, obviously it doesn't matter, it stays there anyway. And when you undo an awning by yourself, get the first roll of the actual awning out and then grab the side poles and flick them out so that you don't have to come back for them. And once they're out, you roll the awning down in between. This is the trick to doing it by yourself. Center poles down, and then that makes the side poles easy to access. So that is how you set an awning up by yourself. This LED lighting here, so it doesn't matter what LED lighting you use, I've got a piece of black rubber stripping that fits into the track on the awning. It's about $10.50 for 2.5 meters from Clark Rubber. So I've glued my LED lighting to the stripping, and then this light is always in the awning, it rolls up with the awning, and I've got the actual plug-in cord just hanging down there. So all I have to do is go to the back of my vehicle, because I've got the cords already plugged in. I keep them plugged in, plug in the LED lighting, and then all I have to do is flick on lights. So not only is pulling the awning out nice and easy, I've got instant lights once I do. There's no unrolling LED lighting or packing it back up in the morning. Just another tip to make your campsite quick.
I've got a heap of quick setup and packing tips coming over the next few weeks, so if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you hit that button. Thanks for watching.